It's April 28th today, and we're having a thunderstorm and hail and a tornado warning. So I just thought I'd film a little bit here. And I don't know if you guys can hear it very good, but the hail and the thunder and the lightning and I just thought I'd film a little bit. It's hard to tell sometimes when I got water on the door there. When a lot of times, you know, it turns out good when it's not blowing right into the door. So because it's like 7 now, and the tornado warning they said until 11, so. But anyway, just thought I'd show a little bit here.